Okay guys, so I'm here in the Olympic National Park in Washington State, specifically Lake Quinault. I've been here so many times and it's just so beautiful. I'm gonna try to do a loop. The last 2 times I've tried it, it's been closed, so I'm really hoping that doesn't happen today. Either way, I'm just hoping I get some good photos. So behind me, you can see the waterfall. And I think this is where I'm gonna start the loop. I'm gonna go clockwise. It's really cold outside, so I'm gonna get going. Second stop, world's record, Sitka spruce tree. Let's go. Okay, so right behind me, right over there, is the world's largest Sitka? I think that's how you say it. Sitka spruce tree. Anyways, 191 feet tall, 58.11 feet circumference, the width, and it's 1,000 years old, which is 10 times your life if you get to 100. That is insane. I'm gonna go stand right next to it, see how big it is compared to me. 5'6". Let's see. That's incredible. Think about it, it's 2026. This tree started growing at least 1026. Same spot, same everything. It's beautiful. Like it's never moved. It's always been in that spot for 1,000 years. As I was switching my lens, I just missed a shot where the sun was hitting the tree so nice. I did get photos though, and that's what I came for. Alright, so my third spot here is Bowles Creek Campground. It's beautiful. All this space, because it's a huge circle, is gorgeous, especially when it's sunny outside and you can see all the moss like glimmering. It's spectacular. It is incredible. I was being serious when I say the way the sun hits the moss is incredible. Also, I want to say that this loop is actually personally better than the whole rainforest. I just thought the whole rainforest was kind of overrated and just filled with tourists. And I mean, you can just get all this moss, the water, the greenery, the freshness throughout the whole loop of Lake Quinault. And personally, I think this place is way better. So everything behind me, this tree, that little post, in December, 2 months ago, was flooded. I'm actually going to put a photo up right now showing how flooded it was. I think if I actually stood around this area, I would be in the water right now. And actually, you couldn't even see that right there. That table behind me, you couldn't even see because it was flooded. And it was all leveled out. Wow. I didn't prepare enough for this trip. I only have 1% on this battery left. And that one only has 30, so I can't swap it no more. Because I already swapped it. Because that thing was overheating like crazy earlier. Sheesh. I might have to end this video early. If I do, this was the first half of Lake Quinault. And the other side is where the sun is hitting a lot right now, as you can see. But I'm glad I came here first because the actual inside is really dense and just foresty. Here it's more open. So, dang. I guess that's why people carry multiple batteries around. This is actually the first time I've ever needed like an extra battery for both my cameras actually. And I had my chargers too. It's my fault. Oh, you live and you learn. Anyways. That's the video. I'm a little bummed out I wasn't able to fully finish this video, but I got half the lake, and honestly this is the half that I always go to most of the time, and I spend most of the time here on this side anyways. There's just more things on this side as well. I think there's more opportunity here on this side to get nice shots, nice photos, nice videos, whatever you want to do with your cameras. But damn man, I'm mad. Why did I not? I was charging. I had 2 chargers. I had a huge brick charger, and then I had my little MagSafe charger for my phone, both of which could charge these cameras, and I just decided not to bring them. I guess that's my fault. But this is kind of a test video. I do want to make more of these. I want to kind of go and watch the people that I like watching that make these kinds of videos and see what I can improve on, what I can do better, and what I'm missing, what I missed out on today, what I didn't do that I would like to achieve, that they've achieved. Not to completely mimic, but to do it in my own style, my own taste. I'm still trying to figure out how to fully do that and how to make quality videos at the same time. So